Peanuts are rich in protein and fat. In particular, the content of unsaturated fatty acids is very high. For peeling, the peanuts need to be soaked for 3 to 5 minutes. Water needs to be heated at over 80 degrees Celsius. Put the peanuts into the inlet. The raw material reaches the peeling effect with the imitation of the hand turning wheel. Peeling rate is about 98%. It's necessary to add some water during the peeling process of peanuts. The broken rate is less than 3%. Peanut wet peeling machine is very suitable for the manufacture of various nutritious foods. This machine can peel not only peanuts, but also almonds, soy, and other nuts. Soaked soybeans can be made into soy products after peeling, extracting soybean oil, etc. For almonds, the soaking time is about 15 minutes and at a temperature of about 80 Celsius. More information, please click the following website.